Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday, March 27th. Coming at ya, math class. Woo! Hope everyone's doing well. It's good to see you all again, right before the weekend. We're going to start today's lesson off with a joke, an oldie but a goodie. Why did the girl throw the clock out of the window? I'll ask again. Why did the girl throw her clock out the window? Give up? She wanted to see time fly. Like the clock would be going through the air. Woo! Time would be flying. Anyway, I know that's how you guys feel sometimes, but let's enjoy all of our time. And today we're going to talk about time in terms of schedules. So, for today, what you're going to do, after you watch this video, you're just going to practice working on a daily schedule. Now, we've done this before, earlier in the year, and I want to do it again because it's very important, especially during these times when you're at home and you have a lot of time, a different time on your hands, and you kind of have to manage it more on your own. So you have all this time on your hands, and you're not sure what you're going to do at different times. And coming up in the coming weeks, you're going to have to work to try to keep track of what classes you should be working on at a certain time, when you should be doing your other assignments, when you might take a break for lunch, and things like that. So today, I thought we'd practice making a daily schedule. So I shared with everybody in the Google Classroom, I shared you a document. So you should be able to open the document that says create a daily schedule. Okay, it's going to look like this. So when you create a daily schedule, the directions say you are to choose any day from this weekend. You guys can choose today, which is Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, and plan out your day using a schedule. The first thing you're going to do is write down, also known as brainstorming, the different things you plan on doing the day on that day, the day that you chose. This should include when you wake up, eat your meals, play, do schoolwork, go outside, take care of a pet, watch TV, go to bed. It can have all those things or just some of them, and then you add other things that you might be doing during the day. So when you brainstorm, you're going to write down all the activities that you're going to do on that day and what time you think you're going to do them. So I'm going to give you a little example of what I plan on doing tomorrow. So I'm going to write down the different things I'm probably going to do. I'm probably going to wake up. It's important to wake up every day, right? So I'm going to wake up, and I'll probably do that at around 8 o'clock. That depends on when Charlie wakes up. So after I wake up, I'm going to walk Charlie. Charlie's my dog. I hope you know that by now. So we're going to walk Charlie, and we'll walk him at 8:15. Then I'm going to, after I walk Charlie, I'm going to cook breakfast. Okay, I'm going to cook breakfast at, let's say, 9 o'clock. Okay, after I cook breakfast tomorrow, I'm probably going to do some yard work. I'm going to do yard work probably starting around 10 o'clock. Now I'm probably going to do yard work for about 3 hours, so I'm not going to have anything listed for after 10 o'clock for a little while. Then after that, the next thing I'm going to do is eat lunch. Let's say we do that at 1 o'clock. Then after I eat lunch, let's say I'm gonna watch a movie. Watch a movie, and that'll be around, let's say just 3 o'clock I'll watch a movie. Then after that, maybe we'll start cooking dinner. Oop, wrong button. So I'm gonna cook dinner. And that'll be around 5. Then I'm gonna eat dinner. And that'll be at, let's say, 7. And then I'm just gonna hang out for a while, starting at 8. And then maybe I'll go to bed at 9. Now, if you see, I didn't put every single thing I'm gonna do, but I put a lot of the things. I forgot to put in there the other walks with Charlie, because he has to go out a few times, but I put a bunch of things in there just for an example. Now, when you put this on your schedule, you take those things and you put them in the times that you saw. So in the 8 o'clock hour, I'm gonna both wake up and walk Charlie. So during 8 a.m., I'm gonna say wake up. And I'm also going to walk Charlie during that hour. Okay, so I'll put that, and this is going to be Saturday, by the way. So this is my example. So Saturday, I'm going to wake up, walk Charlie, right? Let's see. After that, I have cooked breakfast at 9 and yard work at 10. So at 9 o'clock, I'm going to say cook breakfast. And 10 o'clock, I'm going to do yard work. Now, if you see, the next thing after yard work is lunch, which is at 1 o'clock. So I'm going to skip the 11 o'clock and the 12 o'clock, and I'm going to go down to 1 o'clock and write lunch. Okay? You don't need to put something in every hour, especially if things are going to take a few hours to do. Or if you're not sure what you're going to do, that's okay to have blank spots. So I have lunch at 1. Next is watch a movie and cook dinner, which are at 3 and 5. So I watch a movie at 3. I'm going to cook dinner at 5. What else do I have planned? Eat dinner at 7. So eat dinner at 7. Then at 8 I have hang out, and at 9 I have go to bed. So at 8 o'clock I have hang out, which means do whatever I want to do. And then 9 o'clock go to bed. Okay, so there's my sample schedule for the day of Saturday, March 28th. That's what it would look like. Okay, so you see it's not too jam-packed. Only one spot did it, only during 1 hour did I have a couple things going on. So you are to make a schedule like this on your own, of your own, and then you should try to make sure you share it with me so that I can see it. Or you don't have to, you can just turn it in right on the Google Classroom. Because I gave you made a copy for each of you. Okay, last thing, I'm sure you're all going to want to see him before the weekend comes. Charlie, say good morning. Say hello to everybody. What's up? What's up? Charles is a sweet, sweet guy. Hey, buddy, what you doing? We already went on our walk today, so he's happy. All right, everybody. You have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.